Good morning, students. There should be three sides for a triangle and three vertices. Sum of angles of a triangle is how much? That is 180 degree. And if we extend from the vertices to outside, okay, from a triangle, from all the three vertices, we are extending a line outside. There is one angle is formed there. That is the outside angle, or it is called the outer angle or exterior angle. Today we are studying about outer angles. Outer angles. See the question. Draw a triangle and extend one side. So first you have to draw ABC. Then you have to extend one side. So BC should be extended. You will get a line BD here. Then once we extended, we will get an angle here. This is called the outer angle. The outer angle, that is ACD, or you can see the another name is exterior angle. So if we extend one side of a triangle and we get an angle outside, that is called outer angle or exterior angle. Then an angle of the triangle at C itself. Okay, here C, one angle is formed, that is called the outer angle. And what about here? This is called the inner angle or interior angle. Inner or interior angle. So if we extend one triangle, if we extend one side of a triangle, we will get an angle outside, that is called the outside angle or outer angle, the exterior angle, and we get another inner angle inside, that is called the inner angle or interior angle. What is the relation between this outer angle and the inner angle? We study about linear pair. Okay, we can say this is a linear pair. So what is the relation between ACD and ACB? These two together is called a linear pair. Then what about angle ACD? Angle ACD is equal to, how will you find out this angle? It is 180 degree minus angle ACB. So this is the relation between this outer angle and inner angle. The total of inner angle and outer angle is 180, and if you want to find out the outer angle, you have to minimize inner angle from 180 degree. If you extend BC, we get angle ACD as the outer angle. Then if we extend AC, so if we get AE, what is the outer angle here? Here is the outer angle. And what is the relation between these two outer angles? What is the relation? These are opposite angles. So these are the opposite angles. Which is the outer angle here? BCE. Both are equal. Angle ACD, ACD and BCE are equal. They are opposite angles. The two outer angles are at the same vertex, are equal. Okay, they are in the same vertex. These two are equal because they are opposite angles. So we can draw outer angles at all three vertices of a triangle, all three sides. These are the three vertices of a triangle. All three vertices we can draw outer angles. So you can see the outer angles marked here. And if what about this inner angle? These two are linear pairs. The next inner pair is here. These two are linear pairs. Here is the next linear pair. Similarly, we can draw outer angles at all the vertices of a quadrilateral and a pentagon. So if you extend the line outside, you will get the outer angle. Then the inner and outer angles at each vertex form a linear pair. That also you have to remember. These two are the linear pairs. These two are linear pairs. These two are the inner. This is the inner angle. This is outer angle. Inner, outer. Here, this is the outer angle. This is the inner angle. Here also you can draw the outer angle. So the inner and outer angles at each vertex form one inner angle and outer angle. So these together, it is a linear pair. See this quadrilateral. You have to write down the outer angles, inner angles and the linear pair. We studied the inner and outer angles at each vertex form a linear pair. If this is the outer angle, inner angle is here. Okay, the inner here, inner and inner is here. So you have to find out the outer and inner angles and also the linear pair. See the first pair, PAT. Angle PAD is the outer angle here. What about the inner angle? Angle BAD. This is the inner angle. Angle BAD. Then both together, that is a linear pair. Angle PAD plus angle BAD is equal to how much? If it is a linear pair, it is 180 degree. Like this, you have to write the other outer angles also. So first pair completed. See the second pair here. QBA. Angle QBA is the second pair. Then which is the inner angle of this? ABC. This is the inner angle. Angle ABC. Then together it is linear pair. So angle QBA plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degree. QBA and inner angle ABC. The third pair. This is the third pair. Here you can write the third one. So RCB. Angle RCB is the outer angle. What is the inner angle? Angle BCD is the inner angle. BCD. Then both together, how much it is a linear pair? So angle RCB plus angle BCD is equal to 180. That is the linear pair. Then the last pair, fourth one, which is the fourth angle SDC. Angle SDC is the outer angle. The inner angle is here. Which is the inner angle? ADC. This is the inner angle. Angle ADC. Then both together it is a linear pair. Angle SDC plus angle ADC is equal to 180 degree. So these are the different pairs. 4 outer angles we can get here, 4 inner angles also, and inner and outer angles together it is called a which one? Linear pair. Two angles of a triangle are 40 degree and 60 degree. Calculate all its outer angles. Two angles are given. you have to find out the outer angle. See the figure. These are the two angles. One is 40 degree, one is 60. Then you have to find out what? You have to find out the outer angles. So before that, first you have to find out the third angle of a triangle. Then what you have to do? You have to extend these lines and you have to find out the outer angles. How will you find out the third angle? The total angle of a triangle is how much? 180. So you have to minimize 180. 180 degree minus, two angles are given here. So 40 degree plus 60 degree. How much? 180 degree minus 40 plus 60 is 100 degree. So the third angle is how much? 80 degree. So 80 degree you have to mark. These are the three inner angles. Then you have to extend the lines and you have to find out the outer angles. You have to extend the three vertices. So here, first you are finding out the outer angle of 40 degree. Which is the outer angle of 40? This is the outer angle. How much is this one? This is 180 minus 40. So it is 180 minus 40. How much? 140 degree. Like that you have to find out other angles also. The outer angle of 60 degree. How much? This is the outer angle. This is how much? These are the linear pairs. So total is 180. So we can write 180 minus 60. How much? 120 degree. So this is 120 degree. This is 140 degree. Then next is the outer angle of 80 degree. How much? This is the outer angle. This is how much? 180 minus 80. How much you will get? 100. So 180 minus 80. You will get the outer angle as 100 degree. So you got the three outer angles: 100 degree, 120 degree, 140 degree. This is the way to find out. First of all, you have to find out the third angle of a triangle. Sum of angles of triangle is 180, and from that you have to extend the vertices. Then you have to find out the outer angles. Inner and outer angle together, it is a linear pair. So linear pair, the sum is 180. 180 minus the inner angle, so 140. 180 minus inner angle 60, so 120. 180 minus inner angle 180, so you will get 100. See the question. Compute all angles in the figure below. Here give the names A, B, C. So first inner angle is how much? 35 degree. So what is the outer angle here? 180 degree minus 35. How much you will get? 145 degree. That is this angle. Then here the outer angle is given. So how will you find out the inner angle? These two are the linear pairs. So how will you find out inner angle? 180 minus 105. How much you will get? This is 75 degree. So the inner angle is 75 here, the outer angle is 105. Here the inner angle is 35 and outer angle is 145. This is the outer angle. What about 75? This is the inner angle. Then two inner angles are here. We can find out the third. 35 plus 75. How much? This is the inner angle. 35 degree plus 75 degree. How much you will get? 110 degree. So 110 degree is the inner angle. So if 110 is the inner angle, what about the outer angle? 180 minus 110 degree. How much you will get? 70 degree. So 70 degree is the which angle? Outer angle. So 35 is the inner, outer angle 180 minus 35, because these are the linear pairs. So we will get 145. Here the outer angle is given 105 we have to find out the inner angle. So 180 minus 105 is 75. The third triangle, the third angle of a triangle, you have to find out by the sum of these two inner angles. So 35 plus 75, this inner angle is 110 degree. Then if the inner angle is 110, what about here? 180 minus 110, it is 70 degree. This 105 is the outer angle. That is already given. Compute all outer angles of a quadrilateral. All the outer angles you have to find out. But see, in a quadrilateral, 3 angles only, inner angles are given. The fourth one you have to find out. What is the sum of 4 angles of a quadrilateral? It is 360 degree. So you have to add these 3 angles and minimize from 360. You will get the inner angle here. So sum of 4 angles of a quadrilateral, all these 4 together, it is 360. So first you have to find out this inner angle. How will you find out? The total is 360 minus these 3 angles are added. 130 plus 70 plus 60. So the angle is getting 360 minus 260. How much? It is 100 degree. So this angle you are getting as 100 degree. Then you can find out all the 3 outer angles. First one, outer angle of 130. How much is this here? 180 degree minus 130. How much you will get? 50 degree. So the first one is 50 degree here. Then next, outer angle of 70. How much? 180 minus 70. How much you will get? 110 degree. So this angle is 110 degree. Next, outer angle of 60. Outer angle of 60 is equal to this angle, 180 degree minus 60. How much? 120 degree. So this angle is 120 degree. Next we have to find out the outer angle of 100. How much? 180 degree minus 100. So how much is this one? That is 80. So here you got 80 degree. So these are the 4 outer angles. So first of all, we find out the inner angle of the quadrilateral by minimizing from 360. Then you have to find out the outer angle by minimizing 130 from 180, because these two are linear pairs. So together it is a linear pair. So 180 minus 130 is 50. 180 minus 70 is 110. 180 minus 60 is 120. 180 minus 100 is 80. Prove that in any triangle, the outer angle at a vertex is equal to sum of inner angles at the other 2 vertices. Prove that in any triangle, the outer angle at a vertex is equal to sum of inner angles at the other 2 vertices. If you are taking this angle, the outer angle should be equal to sum of angles of sum of inner angles. Sum of inner angles at the other 2 vertices are equal. Here, consider PQR is a triangle. Then PRS is the external angle at the vertex R. PQR is a triangle and PRS is the outer angle. Then we have to draw a line RT. We will draw a line here parallel to PQ. Draw a line from R parallel to PQ. So draw the line RT parallel to PQ. Here angle PRT, this angle, and angle QPR. What about these two angles? If these two lines are parallel, what about these angles? They are alternate angles. So you can write angle PRT is equal to angle QPR. And what is the reason? They are alternate angles. Alternate angles are equal. Next, angle TRS. This angle and this one. If these two are parallel lines, what about these two lines? These two angles, they are corresponding angles and are equal. So TRS is equal to angle PQR. They are also equal because they are corresponding angles. So we got one set of corresponding angle and one set of alternate angles. Then angle PRT and TRS, these two angles is equal to QPR plus PQR. Sum of these two angles is equal to sum of these two angles. And what about this one? PRT plus TRS is angle PRS. So this we can write as angle PRS is equal to angle QPR plus angle PQR. And what is angle PRS? That is the outer angle. This is the PRS angle, that is the outer angle. That should be equal to sum of two inner angles. The external angle at the vertex R is equal to sum of the interior angles at the vertices P and Q. So outer angle is equal to sum of inner angles. Therefore in any triangle, the outer angle at one vertex is equal to sum of inner angles at other vertices. So write this one at last. Same question, we can repeat it. The outer angle should be equal to sum of inner angles.